Show you how to play Pledging My Love by Elvis Presley. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them for you. Let's start with the introduction on this. You've got a G chord to an E minor chord to an A minor chord and to a D7 with an A, C, D right there. So we've got this G chord is G, B, D. Then the E minor, so your E minor would be E, G, B, but we're here, so we're gonna put the E on top there. Then we're going to go to an A minor, A, C, E, to that D7. Now the D7 would be D, F sharp, A, C, but all we're gonna play in the right hand is that A, C, D. Now the left hand is going to go G, D, D sharp, E, B, B flat, A. E, D sharp, D, and so slowly it'll sound like this. Now notice the G chord goes with the G, and the E minor chord goes with the E, and the A minor goes with the A, and the D7 goes with the D. So you got a G in the bass, and an E in the bass, and an A in the bass, and a D7. And then let's go to the melody. Now the melody is G, B, A, G, B, B, G, G, A, B, A, B, C, B, A, F sharp, G, A, G, B, B, A, G, B, B, G, G, A, B, C, B, A. Has a little turn there, with a little turn. A, B, C, B, A, C, A, B, A, B, A, G. It has a little crushed A, B in there. And then the chorus is G, E, C, C, E flat, E flat, D, C, D, E flat, D, C, B, B, C, D, D, B, B, A, B, A, G, B, B, E, E, B, B, A, with a little crushed B, A right there. Now all we got to do is add the bass to it, and we've got it. Now the bass in the regular piece is G, E, D, D, B, A, D, B, A, back to G, E, D, and that'll get us going up to the chorus. So here's your intro. And the melody kicks off by itself. Now in the background they've got the chords going, but I can't play the chords and the bass and the melody, so I've got the bass and the melody. If you want the chords, you're going to have to get somebody else to play the chords on another instrument. Crushed CBA. No, and D, B, A, B, C, B, A. That line takes off right after the A hits. Now going into the chorus, you're going to go G, A, B. And this is a tricky spot. You may have to practice it a little bit. G, A, B, G. Now we're going to have a C chord with the C in the middle. C, E, G. We're putting the G on the bottom. So we're going G, A, B, C chord. 4 of those. Then a C minor chord. The only difference between C major and C minor is you have an E flat in the minor instead of the E right there. So we go from a C major to a C minor, 4 of each, to the G chord, G, B, D, and we do this twice. G chord to the E minor chord twice, and then to an A chord that's going to lead to a D, open fifth D, D, A chord, D. Now the A chord is a C sharp E. So let me put that together slowly. Here we go. That G and the B go together. Let me slow it down even further. Go right back into the verse, but we don't have that G pickup, we have a B pickup. Now we're into the second verse. Instrumental interlude, and to do that we go up here to this B and the D. We're playing two notes, so it's going to go B and a D, A and a C, G and a B, back to the B and a D, and then we answer that with G, B, G, B, A, C, B, D, B, D. So, and then we go up to a C, E. B, D, A, C, C, E, A, C, and we end it with an F sharp, A, F sharp, A, G, B, A, C, G, B. Now you can finger that F sharp A however you want. I finger 2 and 3, and then I come over at the top, under and over with 1 and 4 fingers, thumb and fourth fingers, and then the A with the third and the fifth fingers. But you'll have to figure out your fingering on that F sharp A. So here we go with that instrumental interlude. So you'll notice we use the same bass. Do it again. Now this time I'll slow it down so you can see it. And then G, B, D. Now you just slow the tempo down there. In there going up, and then we go right back to a chorus reprise, and that reprise will take us right into the chorus. And the tag is just, it just plays the beginning of again. want to, with that instrumental, you can hold it back just a little bit, you can soften it up just a little bit, let everybody know that the ending is coming. So when we when we get to it. There you have it, Pledging My Love by Elvis Presley. I hope you enjoy it.